Hello, first grade. Put your name at the top of your packet. We're going to be working on subtraction today, so we're going to be talking about a whole and a part that equals the whole, okay? So the whole that we're starting with today is 10, okay? That is our whole number. That is the amount that we have. Go ahead right now and grab your red and yellow counters and double check that you have 10 counters in your bucket. If you do not, bring them up to me and I will refill them, okay? So you're going to lay all 10 counters out, okay? You're going to move 8 of them to red. How many left is left over should be 2. You're going to put a number 2 right here in this box, okay? All right, go ahead and open up your packet. Now, I'm not going to do any more for you. I'm just going to kind of walk you through what you need to do, okay? All right, so this one number here, it says 5. 5 is how many we need altogether, so you need to lay out 5 counters. You need to flip 4 of them to red. So how many we left over would be that missing part, that would be yellow. Same thing right here. Our whole is 8. We're going to flip 6 of them to yellow. How many are red? Write it right there. Pause this at any time if I'm going too fast. Okay, you have 8 counters altogether. 3 of them need to be red. How many you have left over, the yellow, you're going to put in this box right here. Okay, number 4, you have 7 as your whole number. So 7 counters altogether. 3 of them need to be yellow. The rest of them need to be red. Write that number right there. 9 is your whole number. 4 of them need to be red. How many is left over is going to go right here in this box for yellow. 4 is your whole number. 1 of them needs to be yellow. The rest need to be red. Put that number right there. 6 is your whole number. 4 need to be red. The rest need to be yellow. Write the number right there. 5 is your whole number. You're going to have 5 counters in front of you. 3 of them need to be yellow. The rest need to be red. Write that number right there. 10 is your whole number, so all 10 counters in front of you. 5 of them need to be yellow, and the rest need to be red. 7 is your whole number. 1 of them needs to be red. The rest need to be yellow. Write that number. Okay, the back. Clara saw 6 eagles on a limb. 2 eagles flew away. How many eagles were left on the limb? So I'm going to make some slash marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says 2 eagles flew away, so I'm going to cross them out. 1, 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eagles left on the limb. All right, 10 crocodiles in a pond. 3 get out of the pond. How many crocodiles are left in the pond? So I'm not going to make slash marks on this one. I want you to use your counter. So lay all 10 counters out. Flip 3 of them to red. The yellow ones is how many are going to be left in the pond. You're going to write that answer right there. Cross out your right math. Bring me up your packet. If it is good, I'll let you work on your homework. That's it.